Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is my £2,000 Renault Clio 197. This is my sister Amy. This is Brands Hatch, and I'm here to teach her how to drive on a race track. Your fastest time was... So this is my Renault Clio. It's a 197 Cup chassis. It's got a half cage in it, no back seats. We've put some bucket seats in it, a different gear knob, as well as a new steering wheel. I've stuck some Accelera 651 tyres on it because everyone on YouTube seems to be using them, and I thought I'd give them a go. Done 168,000 miles. It was dirt cheap. It's been polybushed underneath, so it rattles around like a biscuit tin full of spoons, but it's a good car, and it's a great base for Amy to start with. We're not going to be going flat out straight away. I'll go out, I'll warm it up, I'll talk you through what we're doing, and then once I've got a bit of heat into the tyres and the brakes, I'll start giving it a bit more. But if you feel uncomfortable at any point, you don't want to do it, we can come in and we can stop at any time, all right?
Okie doke.
There's Jesus handle up there if you really need it.
What now?
Jesus handle.
Jesus handle. Nice and easy.
All right.
Nice and easy.
Oh, hello, someone's just blown up.
Oh,
Hell, all right, okay.
another yellow flag.
That'll be a red, straight away. Someone's engine just blew up at paddock in a bit, so I came back in thinking they'd red flag it, but they've just put a slippery surface flag out. I mean, no one seems to be going off, which is important, but yeah, someone blew up. So I came back in preemptively. Might have jumped the gun. So we're just going to warm it up a bit.
Oh yeah, just warm it up, eh?
Get the nose of the car in, get on the power quite early through here.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Jesus Christ, Tom.
Rev it out.
Okay, please slow down.
You okay?
Please slow down a bit.
All right. You want to stop?
Yeah, maybe.
All right, okay.
I'm pouring sweat.
Yeah, I bet you are. You sounded a bit nervous. I didn't want to scare you too much. I just wanted to give you an idea of what the car can do. All
I
right.
feel like I'm going to vomit.
Yeah. It's always faster from the passenger seat, but just give yourself a second. You weren't lying when you said you were a shit passenger, weren't you?
I feel like my brain is still like half a mile behind me. Do you know what I mean?
It's a lot.
It
It is a lot.
Why do you do this for fun?
Because it is fun. When you're in control, it's fun.
I feel like it's not, you haven't had the experience until you've done it yourself. And I know what you're saying, like it is different when you're a passenger. And I'm a shit passenger in a regular car on a road. I get really car sick anyway. So it's 100% worth me trying to do this. You were like, yeah, take it easy into here and then you brake here and I was not listening to a single thing. My brain was just going, ah!
Oh, right. So today didn't go according to plan at all. Lots of red flags, didn't get a chance to get Amy in the car. So we're going to come back another day, have a proper crack at this. Right, okay, so look, last time it didn't go to plan. Let's get you in and get you comfortable first of all. You've not driven this yet.
No, literally at all.
Go on, jump in, right.
Ugh.
Do you want to make sure that you're comfortable in terms of like your seating position? So make sure you can reach the pedals and that they're comfortable like a normal sort of driving position.
Yeah.
Next thing is where your hands are on the steering wheel. So in terms of the steering wheel, is that comfortable for you? Do you need it higher or lower? I would say you probably need it a bit closer. So what I would do is lower the column down a bit. It's an easy car to drive this. Don't stress too much about it. It's not very fast. You know, it's loud.
It's not going to be very fast when I'm in it.
Well, no, but it's loud, but it's not that quick. Obviously, manual gearbox. You've got 6 gears in here. You've been around here as a passenger.
Yes.
We've done cycling laps. The things I would say about driving a car on a track: smooth is fast, fast is smooth. So what I mean by that is when you're coming into a corner, you're smooth on the brakes and you're smooth on the accelerator coming out of the corner. You can start slow and you can build up. You don't need to be going out there and going 10-10 straight away, and I don't expect you to.
I won't be.
You just go out and have fun with it, right? Can I just make this perfectly clear, by the way? I'm not a driving instructor and I've never done this before. I'm just imparting 5 years of racing and what I know onto Amy. So hopefully I've learnt a thing or two in my time and it works out okay. Whoa! Hell, that snapped. Well, yeah, no.
Whoa, it's loud.
How you doing? You feeling all right?
Yeah, do you know what I'm really nervous about? Like following the protocol.
Yeah, you're going to be absolutely fine. Don't worry about it. So we're going to filter out into the pit lane. We're going to keep it to the right-hand side here. Just keep an eye on your mirrors as we come out because there's quite a bit of traffic and a few cars. I can't really see on the mirrors. Don't worry about it. You'll see it as soon as they come around. Okay, keep it to the right of this line. Keep it on the right. Okay.
Can I go over?
Yeah, you can go over if there's no traffic. And brake it down to second. No, stick. Hands on the steering wheel.
Sorry.
Fixed position. Keep it in, out to the outside of the circuit. Accelerate. No, don't change up. Keep it going. Keep accelerating. It's fine. Okay, accelerate. Remember, look through the corner. So we're looking over here. Accelerate, accelerate, keep accelerating, keep accelerating, keep accelerating, keep accelerating. Change up, change up. Then we go around to the right, keep the accelerator on. Straighten it up, straighten it up, straighten it up. Over to this left-hand side, to this cone. Round to the right, down to second. Go round to the right, find that apex. Keep it going, keep it going.
This is fun.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep accelerating. Accelerate, accelerate, third gear. Nice. Keep it to the right-hand side, keep it to the right-hand side, keep it to the right-hand side, to the right-hand side.
Sorry.
Okay, accelerate. Nice and smooth. Look through the corner. Bang, up into third. Okay, good, 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 good. Hands on the wheel.
I've got to change gear.
Yeah, I know, but as instead you keep them at a constant. You keep shuffling them round like you're bloody driving to the shops. I'll tell you what, let's come into the pits. Change up into third.
Okay.
So,
That was really fun.
enjoyed it.
Really
We're at Garage 28-7. It's your first time doing it. It's going to be stressful. Sorry for shouting, but
No, it's
I want to
okay.
make sure you can hear me. Do you know
No,
what I
I
mean?
can hear you.
Like,
I love it. It was so much fun. I wish everyone else wasn't in the way so I didn't have to worry about them. But it's so much easier when, well, not easier, it's really hard. But it's so much more fun when you're driving than being there. I don't like being there. Here is better.
no one likes being a passenger.
No.
You've got the idea of the racing line, but I think there's a lot going on, and it's like, obviously there's gears to think about, there's keeping your hands on. The one thing I really noticed, you kept moving your hands around the steering.
So like this, you don't want this?
No, you want that. That's all you want.
But like what if you have to like cross your arms over?
You cross your arms over. What we're going to do now, I think, we'll give it a bit of a breather for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I'll go out,
Yeah.
you can jump in the passenger seat, I'll take it easy.
Well, do I have to?
Yes. It's because I want to show you what, I'm going to talk you through what I'm doing
Yeah.
a bit more, because now you've done it,
Yeah,
hopefully it'll give you a bit more of a reference point.
I also figured out that I don't know my right and left when I'm in a bit of a panic.
Yeah, see that? So to the right-hand side.
I'm in.
Okay. We'll take it easy.
Please do, because we've got lunch in a minute and I don't want to feel sick.
Fair enough. I've just seen a Yorkie, to be fair, as well.
You don't want to see it again.
No, exactly. Driving fast isn't that difficult. It's when it's like on the limit, that's when it's a bit tough. But I'll talk you through what I'm doing. So I'm coming out of here, I'm accelerating, I'm in third gear, right? Now obviously in here, you're sort of lifting right off.
I am,
right?
yeah, here.
So I'll lift off there, a little bit of brake to get the weight over the front, but get it in, and then you feel I'm feeding the power on just a little bit.
Yeah.
Keeping it steady, right over to here. Braking down into second, off the brakes.
Right, you come right over.
Right
yeah.
over, yeah, you straight line that, and then accelerate, so aiming for that cone, yeah? And then we're going to come over the rise here, and I'm going to hit the brakes. So braking fourth gear down into third, ease off of the brakes. I've overslowed it a bit, and as I'm easing off, I'm then coming to here, and I'm feeding the power on, nice and gently. But what you want to do, you want to make sure that you're never getting on something that you then have to get off of again. So I'm never on the brakes before I have to come off them, and I'm never on the accelerator before I have to come off it. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So like, if I'm on the accelerator here, I'm on the accelerator. If I'm on the brakes, I'm on the brakes. I'm not backwards and forwards, I'm then smooth steering inputs in. Yeah, turn up into fourth, and then we're going to go on the brakes in a second, on the brakes, down into thirds, lift off of the brakes, turn it in, that yellow cone, aim for the orange cone, feed the power on, feed the power on, feed the power on, right onto the outside. See what I mean? So
Yeah.
like one turn of the steering, one jab of the brakes, one on the accelerator.
Got traffic on your right.
Yeah, see that? On my left.
Left seat.
So worry that.
Yeah, I really need to sort that out.
Right, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to.
Let me out.
Do you want to go back in?
Yeah, and then you do a good lap. Yeah, a little bit sick. Better than last time though.
I was going a bit slower.
And you were going slower. Feeling better, and I understand what he's saying now more. Like rather than him last time, he was just kind of saying things to me, and I was like, yeah, okay. But now I understand actually what he means.
I'm going to go and set a lap then.
Okay.
And this is going to be like your reference point essentially. So we need to get you within, I reckon 10 seconds is fair.
You think?
I think that's fair. What do you think?
Okay, but you got 5 laps.
Okay, does that include in lap and out lap?
Yeah.
So 3 laps then, really, is what I've got, isn't it? Okay, and I'm in your driving position.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the wind's blowing in the wrong direction.
Yeah, and hopefully it rains during your lap.
Right, okay, yeah, I see how this is going. You're
Yeah.
snooping me before I've even begun. Right, okay. Right, see you in a bit. I want to find some clear air here, really. Right, one more.
Jesus Christ, he's fast. 10 seconds is a long time, but like, is it?
Come on, that's got to be the one. That's got to be the one.
Here he comes.
Right, that's probably as good as we're going to get.
102.
Right, I don't know what that was, but that's probably about as good as it's going to get. We still got a little bit balked by that Ginetta on the final flyer, but it was all right, that.
Oh, he's coming in.
Yeah, no complaints at all from my side. I get the feeling that that was a pretty handy lap. I reckon I've probably got another second in me.
Oh, I've got to go tell him now.
That last lap, whatever that one was, I know that was my quickest, but I don't know what it was. What time was it?
What do you think it was? What would you be happy with?
What would I don't even know what a good lap. I've never timed myself around here. So is it a 50 something?
No.
No, is it a 1 minute something?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay. Low 1 minutes?
Yes.
1 minute 2.7.
1 minute 2.35.
Hey, that'll do. Okay.
Yeah, that was your best lap.
So your mission is to get to a 1:12. Yeah. I tell you, it does warm you up being in there.
Yeah.
You look like you need warming up. So let's go.
Trying to remember everything that you taught me.
It's all right. We'll go around. I'll try not to be as shouty this time.
Yeah, try not to. Please just get my zen. I get jelly legs. Whenever, like, I did this last time, I get all like jittery.
Yeah, it's nerves though. You've got cars coming through. Keep it going, it's fine. It's down to them to find their way past. Power feed, the power feed. Come on, go, 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 go. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep the power on. Keep it on. Keep it on. Stop. I can feel you lifting off. Turn it into. Don't brake. Don't brake. You don't need to brake.
I have to brake.
You don't need to brake. You've got so much room to play with. So much time. Keep going. Keep going. Up the fourth. Nice one. That's good. That's good. That's good. You're doing great. You're doing great.
You're commentating.
In. Lovely. Beautiful. Nice. Straight. On the third. Right. Go to the right. Go to the right. Keep it to the right. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Go, baby. Up in the fourth. Lovely.
Oh,
Beautiful.
it was so much fun when you do it right.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Hey, oh, whoa.
That'll be a red flag, wouldn't it? Oh, we hit as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, let's just. Are we allowed to still go?
Just keep going around. They'll red flag it. So just follow it back through into the pits. There you go.
That's so much fun. Oh, we really enjoy it.
I could see at the start of it you were afraid of the car because you don't know what it's going to do and how it's going to behave, but you're starting to get the hang of it a bit more now. Obviously there's a red flag now because someone's biffed it into the barrier, so...
Right in front of us as well.
Yeah, literally. We're on a good trajectory and I think there's only one way from this and it's forwards.
Only way is up.
Last run.
Uh-huh.
So 102.3.
102.3.
102.3 was me.
Yep.
Your last time was a 118.3, so you've got a second to get it within 15 seconds.
So close.
Or if you can knock another 5 seconds off that, you get the BMW. So you get the M3 for a weekend if you get 1 second quicker, or if you knock another 5 seconds off that, you get that 5 Series for life. So
sounds like a fair
5
deal.
seconds. Easy. Right, come on, let's have it.
I saw that.
Middle of the corner.
No, I was going to go off.
You weren't, you had loads of room, you were fine.
Sorry, I got scared.
All good. All good. Right, come on, get it in, brake. Get it in. Come on the power, come on.
I'm foot to the floor.
Yeah, you're doing great. Up to fourth. Keep it going. Lovely. Okay, we're going to brake. We're going to go down to third. Keep, and turn in. Turning, feed the power on, feed it on, come on, lovely, that's beautiful. Keep it revved down third, keeping it in third, brake, down to second, turn it in, start feeding that power on, start feeding it on, that's lovely, mind this Ginetta, up to third, keep it going. And turn in, on the power, come on, it's not going anywhere, come on, there we go. Keep it going, rev it out in third, keep it going, and dab the brakes, turn in, come on, keep that power on, Keep it going, 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 and brake down a second. Nice, nice, nice. In. Power, 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 go, power, 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 power. Come on, come on, come on, come on, gas it. Flat out. Third. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Come on. Up to fourth. Nice. That's good.
I don't feel like I did a good time.
No?
No.
You were driving well though. Like, did you see all the ingredients? Did you see it's all come together though?
Yeah, 100%.
Like, kind of, you've gone from earlier, like this morning, where you were
Fucking all over the place.
yeah, exactly, like you were in the church organist. Like, considering you've never done this before, you've never driven on a racetrack, you should be really proud of what you've done today.
Thanks.
So my fastest time was
102.
102 something or other.
102.3.
102.3. Your fastest time was
Yeah. Oh my god, it's like Top Gear.
yeah, 17.6.
Come on!
117.6.
Told you I was going to do it.
That's 15 seconds.
Come on.
So there you go.
That ain't bad, is it? Oh my god, I told you I'd do it.
You got within 15 seconds. For your first time on track, that's really good going.
5 years of experience.
You all right?
I'm all right.
You had fun?
I've loved it.
Lovely. There you go.
Woo!
It's yours for the weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you again next time.